Hey everyone! Want to save big without much effort? Here are some super quick money-saving hacks that you can start using today. First, automate your savings. Setting up automatic transfers to a savings account is like having a financial assistant working round the clock. Even if it's just a small amount, it adds up quickly. Next, scrutinize your subscriptions. Do you really watch all 300 channels? Cutting down on unused subscriptions can save you a ton. Keep only what you really use. When grocery shopping, make a list and stick to it. Impulse buys can bloat your bill. Plan your meals, make a list, and watch your savings grow. Switching to energy-efficient bulbs and appliances can reduce your electric bill significantly over time. Save the planet and your wallet. Love coffee? Try brewing at home instead of buying barista-made cups daily. A little change with a big impact on your savings. These were just a few quick hacks to boost your savings. Try them out and tell me how much you saved. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. See you in the next one.